leaders needs to understand there needs to be boundaries and not be biased or be having favorites, because I find it in a lot of businesses that people complain there's favoritism. So there's a line to be set of how do we set boundaries, but also how do we enforce bias. Boundaries is important to protect the respect, to protect comfort. It's about how we do things instead of who's the best at it, right? It's about creating respect in the business. It's about being fair, reevaluating systems that creates people to participate, but also to understand a system that silence people's voices so that we can address it. So one thing that's important is, yes, be firm on your principles, because what do you stand for? There's a standard, but also be flexible on your preferences. It's about leading fairly and not being a fearful leader.